Hey team, hope you're good. Welcome to the Fitness Entrepreneur podcast and YouTube show. I wanted to talk about one very popular question that I get asked all the time throughout this pandemic. And it basically boils down to, hey, I'm a personal trainer, online coach, or gym owner, and I'm worried about these big fitness celebrities giving out free workouts. It makes me feel undervalued, makes me feel like I can't sell, and that my main target market are going to go with the free workouts versus me. And I just find it really stressful. It gives me anxiety. What do I do? First things first, you got to consider a couple of things. The majority of people that are taking part in these large fitness celebrity free workout programs on Facebook Live, on Instagram, or on YouTube generally don't have a lot of exercise experience. Now, unless you specialize in training beginners and in complete beginners, only then are you going to be presented with a challenge. Most of you that coach people online or coach people have got clients that have got a little bit of training experience. And when it actually boils down to it, taking on brand new clients with no exercise experience and coaching them online, especially if you've been in the industry for 3+ years, is going to be a nightmare. Can you imagine trying to prescribe exercises to somebody that's never exercised before? It's going to be an absolute nightmare, and those clients are going to cost you a lot of stress. Secondly, on top of that, when you look at these free workouts and celebrity programs, they're a splash in the pan. Beyond the workout itself, there's no support. And you should know as a coach that there are many fundamentals to getting somebody in shape. There's lifestyle, there's sleep, behavior optimization, nutrition, calories. Some of these elements are covered, but they're not really covered in a personalized way, or they're not covered in a plan or a strategy with accountability and checkpoints, which is exactly what you provide as a coach. You provide plans, you provide accountability, you provide ongoing support. So whenever you are thinking about the target market that you're after, going and investing into these programs, realize that the results are going to be very short-lived. The lack of accountability is going to mean that they're going to fall out very quickly. And if that happens, then you've basically got somebody that's got a taste for exercise that wants to take it that step further. And people are buying you. So remember that they're buying you and the ability for you to transform their lives. So the marketing and the content that you put up in conjunction with your own personal values and your own belief systems about exercise and how people should get in shape is crucial and really important. So I want you to think of these celebrity fitness workouts, these free workouts, as the top of your funnel, so to speak. They're preparing people to come and work for you, come and work with you, sorry. So that's a really good way to look at it. And when you're able to provide them a more personalized service and bring in accountability, bring in a plan on top of that, then you're able to charge a premium. So don't get caught up in the mindset that your clients are going to suddenly leave you for somebody else. They may show an interest in them. Nothing wrong with that. But soon after a couple of weeks, you're going to see that they're not going to be accountable. They're going to cheat on their diet. They're not going to have structure. And that should be the ultimate form for you to come in there and say, hey, I can help, or I can do this. And even when you're marketing your services, you could highlight how a lot of these free celebrity workouts can trigger injury because they're not supervised. 2, they don't come with accountability. So that's great marketing fuel for you to use to highlight how your brand, how your service is able to get people a result. And you know, when you look at these free workouts, there's very few of them that are actually producing great results. There are some results, but they're not going to come as thick and fast as somebody who's going to work with you personally. So bear that in mind. You're a great coach. You've got a great service. These free celebrity workouts aren't going to tank your business. If anything, they're going to prepare people to work for you. Know your worth, know how to sell, be comfortable in selling, and get those clients into your tribe so that you can help transform them and bring them towards a future that they want to have. So I feel that that is the best answer for that question. Stop worrying about it. Focus on what you want to get. If you keep focusing on the fact that you're going to fail and these big celebrity workouts are going to tank your business, that's exactly what's going to happen. So I hope you find that useful. Click the link below if you want to get access to my fitness business crisis toolkit. It's loaded with books, resources, apps, software, and tech to help you get through lockdown and make sure that your business thrives and you protect, you profit, and you pivot all your services online so that you can continue to grow. Let's get it. See you soon.